What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And today I'm going to teach you guys the 10 most important ways to push on your skateboard. Check it out. In this video, I'll be teaching you the pump carve. Here are the simple steps for the pump carve. Push off in a medium to fast speed and set your feet into riding position. Make sure you keep your knees loose. From riding position, quickly lean on your toes to make a tight carve backside. And then immediately lean on your heels in the opposite direction to make a tight carve frontside. Bend down and press off of the ground by pumping in and out of your carves. Continue alternating back and forth, digging in from your heels for frontside and leaning into your toes for backside. Lean your body weight quick and heavy into a pump rhythm to dig your wheels into the ground for extra traction, which gives you better acceleration. Pro tip for this push, loose trucks allow you to lean and pump with more leverage and ease. Practice this on a smooth, flat surface with hard wheels and find your pump carve rhythm that keeps your speed and feels comfortable. Here's how to bail. Use the run out method to lean your head over your front foot and into a run out or knee slide. Remember that this is a channel, so we have many other videos to help you guys. Please click the blue Skate Heart logo to learn more. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you. We even upload them to YouTube for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to help us keep this channel alive for you. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are included in the description box below. Leave me your comments or represent your country, including any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me, JB, back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.